So, ladies and gentlemen, before we get started, I got to give a huge shout out to my man Digit Hustle, bringing us the heat. If you aren't subscribed to his channel, please do. I will leave a link in the description below. But just a little bit about XDC before I get into this Globiance groundbreaking news.
Arfan Elahi Ahmed, Vice President at BlackRock, forgive me if I butchered your name, but a year ago he stated that what this space needs is a decoupling from the meme coins, and those with long-term utility use cases will start to disrupt many industries in order for this space to grow and mature. Quant, AVAX, ETH 2.0, XDC,
What you say?
XRP. This to me looks like BlackRock already has their eyes on XDC network. It's in the pocket. So with them just acquiring Coinbase, and XDC isn't listed yet. So does that mean that an XDC Coinbase listing is coming in the next few months?
You lost your color for a minute, now you black again. Yeah, I'm on a blockchain with it, and my blockchain monkeys full of octane in them. You know the vibe, plus we shredded than a motherfucker. Yeah, we crash monkeys. Yeah, we crash monkeys. It go Planet of the Apes, gorillas in a mess. All these bad rooms all over my shit. It go Planet of the
What is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here, like, thank you for coming to my jungle. And first of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology. But there's one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give you my opinion. So today, before we get to it, can we go to Mark Cuban real quick for some beautiful old financial advice?
More applications potentially, but there's no, I still think Doge has got more applications potentially available to it than Cardano. Now that'll be out there for sure, but that'll be your headline. But the opportunity for Cardano is greater until Doge really becomes a platform for applications. But you get my point, right? It still comes down, it's still a business.
So this coming in hot from JV, the great. I'm starting to believe that these type of people are purposely downplaying the real utility assets and promoting the bull. For what reason, I don't know. I can name a few, but it sure seems intentional. And so, ladies and gentlemen, be on the lookout for Solo Nation coming soon within the next week, okay? And then also we have this NFT Blockchain Monkeys Classic on the ledger. So coming in hot from XDC Ratish, happy to contribute with Zenfin ecosystem partner like StoreX, Go Plugin, Demo Finance, etc. to D2A2 efforts will accelerate Dubai's digital transformation in MENA region. Ladies and gentlemen, when you take a look at the screen, Dubai Chamber of Digital Economy forms Digital Asset Business Group. Now slide on down here real quick. So we have here Garengs Desai, chairman of D2A2, said, we see an opportunity to turn Dubai and the UAE into a regional hub for digital assets. Ladies and gentlemen, I bet they do. I bet they do understand after all of the tests they've run over the years where they are at right now and the position that they could take if they're in the right digital assets. Okay, that is why it is very important to work towards creating a bridge for digital asset industry to further integrate into the world economy by cooperating with counterpart organizations across the world like XDC. I mean, it didn't say that there. I just added that. Sorry about that. Okay. We wish to welcome all experts in the industry to come and join the D2A2 to help us spread the principles of accountability, integrity, and transparency and promote the highest professional and ethical standards while you pack your bags. And then we get to head on over to Globiance. You have here coming in hot from the Blockchain Monkeys on Twitter. If you're not following me, what are you doing? Pause the video. Go over to my Blockchain Monkeys site on Twitter and follow. Okay, breaking Globiance news. You know what I'm saying about Globiance, ladies and gentlemen. Gbex is they just hit you in the head each and every day, it feels like. You're talking about like another partnership here, ladies and gentlemen. Globiance is pleased to announce the signing of the MOU with Datachain DC, establishing a strategic partnership. Let's get to it. You see it. You see it. Globiance and Datachain signed a memorandum of understanding And so you have here Kaze, I hope I pronounced that correctly, CEO and founder of Datachain Foundation, and Oliver Marca La Rosa. You already know what's going down, ladies and gentlemen. Gbex it up, stake it down, okay? CEO and founder of Globiance, this agreement presents an opportunity for Globiance to act as a financial and cryptocurrency conduit backbone for both current and future data chain endeavors. Creating this framework will enable peer-to-peer access to exchange of cryptocurrency as well as fiat directly from within the Datachain Foundation's operations and platform. Ladies and gentlemen, they keep doing this. What is this? I mean, what does this say about them? Supplanting their foothold. Drawing from Globiance's extensive technical experience within the banking industry, since banks ain't going nowhere, okay? As well as the combined crypto bank exchange platform capabilities, Globiance's presence within the Netoverse will help create a strong foundation and help to forge new pathways for establishing settlement gateways within the Netoverse and beyond. The addition of these capabilities adds yet another layer of utility to Datachain's already well-established partnerships and will serve as an invitation for future multi-layered projects with like-minded companies. This is what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. What about the dominoes this is about to drop? You understand what I'm talking about? Datachain and Globiance recognize the importance of implementing and maintaining state-of-the-art security and technologies from within both the digital and decentralized marketplaces, ladies and gentlemen. But I wanted to show you just a little bit more about what Datachain is all about. The Datachain is a decentralized data management infrastructure operated as an open source foundation. Its federative architecture is designed to support data sovereignty and critical data protection. The underlying distributed data management infrastructure facilitates peer-to-peer digital ecosystems implementation, allowing to secure, structure, and safely exchange heterogeneous data between individuals, private and public entities, businesses, administration, and association. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have in front of your face is an opportunity of a lifetime. No financial advice whatsoever. But when you get inside and understand what is happening, you have no choice. Staking is live. The referral link for Globiance is in the description below. And when I first saw the opportunity that we could stake, guess how long it took for me to and we will all see each other on the moon.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.
You don't have to be rich to be taking advantage of this. This was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II.
Blockchain. Blockchain. We talking about an intellectual choo-choo train. It's DLT up in these streets, man. That's why we rip all on that blockchain.